privates and then trying to sell me food. That's not really... You cannot pick your privates and try to sell me food. This isn't working
Privet!
If you have a problem with your privets, go see the doctor. But don't try to privet me out.
Go on to my doctor! Just kidding.
Don't try to privet me out while you're serving me and my kids, 11 of them. Even if I don't know what they all are.
Where his mouth is. Former UCLA basketball star.
No, Hannah's video.
Hannah!
We're gonna put this on Facebook so Hannah, see what you're really like.
Hannah! Don't tell Hannah. Don't tell anybody that Hannah toots, okay? Because she doesn't like anybody to know, especially that boy named Carter. Camden, or whatever his name was. Carter
I was
Camden.
barely texting him.
Or Griffin.
No, don't talk about him.
Griffin!
He's annoying. Griffin is a friend. Yeah, he's
Can you have your drinks, please?
I asked you if you had hot coffee. Do you have it?
Yes.
Great. 2 cold Cokes to go. Hurry up. Please.
This is not a to-go restaurant.
This is not a to-go restaurant.
Well, then why did you give me a to-go menu? This all says to go. Pizza to go. More pizza to go. Don't to go. Do you see that?
Yeah,
To go.
Go.
Jeez, you people are nuts.
You can get my menu, John. Give me $1,000.
Bottom of the 12.
Can I have $1,000, mister?
You sound like my ex-wife. I've had enough of all of you women. Get out of here.
This is my restaurant. How will you get out of here?
Well, pick my nose and yours too.
Kiss my grit. Kiss my grit.
Kiss my granny grits.
They can find you on a crowded highway or a crowded club.
What are you doing?
Luxury, friendly finish.
Get another reservation.
Cards are losing 10-2. Uh-oh. Grace, do that face for me. Freak.
Find out who this pissbag is.
Dad,
Learn his ways.
Dad, you need to make another reservation. No, Dad, now you have to be the
Not
worker.
everyone can talk sports.
Okay, are we done? Because I am...
Join the debate live on the all-new